Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and this is the Roomba Plus 415X Combo Robot Plus Auto Wash Dock. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through a few of my personal favorite things that this Roomba can do for you.
Recalibrating rotation to continue cleaning.
Okay, I want to start this off by talking about this Roomba's cleaning ability. Roomba Plus 415X has really strong suction power on all floor types, and the mopping is equally as impressive. Dual spinning mop pads spin at a really high rate, and it's going to scrub away the grime and paw prints. And you'll notice that it'll automatically extend out one of the side brushes and mopping pads to give it a more detailed edge clean. And as it approaches any carpets in the home, it'll automatically raise the mop pads up, protecting your carpets from getting wet. And the last thing I wanted to mention is the size of this Roomba. It is noticeably smaller, which is great because that means that this Roomba can get in even tighter spaces that we often forget about. The next thing on my list to talk about when it comes to this Roomba is how smart it is. It's going to automatically avoid walls, furniture, and smaller objects on the floor. And you can tell it when, where, and how you want this Roomba to clean your home. This is great. This means you don't have to worry about opening or closing doors or picking up objects from the floor. The Roomba will just avoid them. Okay, if you were to ask me what is my absolute favorite thing about this Roomba, it's this. And this is the auto wash dock. This thing is seriously a game changer. It's going to automatically empty the dry debris that Roomba picks up on the floor for up to 90 days. Yes, that's 3 full months without having to worry about replacing a bag. It'll also wash and heat and dry the mopping pads as needed, and even knows when to clean itself. As an owner of multiple dogs who literally shed you around, the level of convenience this has provided me is unmatched. Okay, so there's still a ton more things that this Roomba can do, but to wrap this up quickly, Roomba Plus 415X Combo Robot Plus Auto Wash Dock is a great robot if you're looking for a Roomba that vacuums, mops,